Hi, I'm Brandon Boyd, a chairman at iMarkets Live. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make money from your phone without recruiting friends, family, or coworkers. Sound good? All right, let's go ahead and get started. You know, when I was 19 years old, I read a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It absolutely changed my life. One of the things that I learned in there is he talked about what's called the cash flow quadrant. And he talked about the 4 different ways that people earn money. The left side being employees. These are people who trade time for money. They have limitations. They have no unlimited income potential. They literally are trading their time to make money. When you look at those who are self-employed, these are people that essentially own a job. These are people that are what's called do-it-yourselfers. They might, instead of working 40 hours a week, they might work 60, 80 hours a week because they have literally bought themselves into a job. Now, one of the things that Kiyosaki pointed out that I thought was so interesting, and it literally changed my mindset at that time, is he said that 95% of the world was on the left side of this quadrant as employees and self-employed business owners. The interesting thing is 95% of people reside on that side, yet they only control 5% of the world's wealth. Is that not phenomenal? He then pointed out the right side, business owners, where they are building systems. They're building their assets. They can even have people working for them. They are business owners. These are people that are controlling their destiny. They have no limits on their income potential. They can make residual income. Then he talked about investors. These are people that have assets and systems working for them. They have money working for them, growing every single day. The amazing thing is you have 5% on the right side of the quadrant, yet they control 95% of the world's wealth. 95%. That to me made me say, you know what? I'm going to need to switch from the left side to the right side. If I want to become financially free, if I want to have time freedom and financial freedom and have debt freedom, I'm going to need to make the transition from the left side to the right side of the quadrant. And that's exactly what I was able to do. This is the first time in my career that I've been fully on the right side as both a business owner and an investor at the same time. So what I want to cover now is what we're actually dealing with. Any of you have ever heard of foreign exchange or Forex before? 2 years ago, I really didn't know much about the foreign exchange or Forex at all, period. I actually thought it was maybe the stock market, but then I found out the stock market does about $30 billion a day in trading volume. Found out that the foreign exchange does over $5.3 trillion, okay, with a T, trillion dollars a day in trading volume. And for a little bit more information so that you can visually see the power of Forex, watch this.
What is Forex trading? The term Forex is short for foreign exchange market, which is the place where different currencies are exchanged in a continuous fashion by millions of people all over the world. Tourists who travel from one country to another must exchange currencies in order to pay for a local product or service. A wad of euros would be totally useless to an Italian tourist wishing to visit the Sphinx in Egypt because it is not the locally accepted currency. The tourist would have to exchange his euros for the local currency, Egyptian pounds, at the existing exchange rate that day. Even without boarding a plane, residents of one country exchange currencies with another country each time they purchase a foreign product. For example, if you're living in the US and want to buy a nice bottle of French wine, you may pay for it in dollars, but the wine has already been paid for in euros. Somewhere along the line, either the wine producer or the American importer had to have exchanged the equivalent value of US dollars, USD, into euros. Unlike the New York Stock Exchange or other stock markets, there is no central marketplace for foreign exchange. Rather, currency trading is conducted electronically over the counter, OTC, which means that all transactions occur via computer networks between traders around the world, rather than on one centralized exchange. The market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. The need to exchange currencies is the primary reason why the Forex market is the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. It outperforms other markets, including the stock market, with an average traded value of around US $2 billion per day. So why would anyone trade Forex? Ask 3 different people and you will get more than 3 different answers. Of course, right off the bat, making money is the most frequently cited reason, and this is a perfectly legitimate motivation. We all live in a world where money, even if it can't buy everything, can certainly still make life a lot more enjoyable. There are some people who trade in the Forex market because they see it as a form of gambling and betting on the winning number. It really can be a lot of fun, especially if you win. And there are others who trade Forex just for the personal satisfaction of making a trading system work for them and coming out with the results they aimed for. We are always satisfied when we make the right choice and come home the winner. You see, the common factor for why people trade Forex is quite simple. One way or another, these people are getting whatever it is they want: money, enjoyment, or self-satisfaction.
So I hope that you guys can see the power of the foreign exchange, the largest, most liquid financial market in the entire world. So what I'm going to do over the next few minutes is show you how, with the foreign exchange, how you can literally make money from your phone without recruiting friends, family, and coworkers. So the company that we partnered with that's been in business over 4 years is called iMarkets Live. Now we call it IML, but it's short for iMarkets Live. Incredible company, been in business over 4 years. They are debt-free, they're privately owned, they are global in over 120 countries around the world. Incredible. Teaching people how to make money from their phones, how to make money right from their computer, and giving you guys the ability to control your financial destiny. Now, behind the company, which to me is the most important thing, is the founder and CEO, who I've had the privilege of meeting myself, getting to know him, Mr. Christopher Terry. Christopher Terry has made tens of millions of dollars inside of the foreign exchange over the last 2 decades. He's been featured on Bloomberg Radio. He's been a weekly contributor to themoneyshow.com. He's been featured and quoted in books and magazine articles, featured speaker at the Traders Expo. He's traded personal and corporate accounts over $50 million. All right? This guy has been ultra successful. Now, the thing that I love most about Christopher Terry, he has a heart of gold. Heart of gold. Absolutely loves people. He's now teaching what he's gained over the last 2 decades to help us, to help you become successful in your life and in your business. Now, we've got an incredible executive team. Their goal over the next 3 years is to empower, to enrich, and to educate over 1 million customers over the next 3 years. Now, about 2 years ago, I heard of a concept called mirror trading. Now, if you have never heard of mirror trading before, I didn't either. I want to tell you how powerful mirror trading is. If you have no knowledge of the foreign exchange, in fact, if you don't even have the desire to have the knowledge of the foreign exchange, to trade from your phone and understanding currencies and those kind of things, mirror trading is like if you were to go to the gym and you were to have someone do all the sets, all the reps, and you are gaining all the muscle from their work. That's what mirror trading is. So the way that it works is they have professional experts that they have hired who trade part to full time. Your account is connected to their account. So for example, the first product that was released that I saw when I first took a look at this company was FX Signals Live. It is a mirror trader. Now, a lot of people call it the auto trader, but it's actually a mirror trader because it is mirroring the trades of the experts. You simply upload your money to your brokerage account, you connect it to the actual FX Signals Live, and all the trades that take place will execute on your account. Guys, this is a wealth creation tool. This is your savings account on steroids. Far better than you're gonna find with a 401k, Roth IRA, CD, those kinds of things. Doing between, on average, 2 to 10% a month. Not a year, a month. Return on your money. Now, past profits don't guarantee future profits. This is based on past history, past results that we have. But guys, I'm telling you, you got to put your money to work for you. Remember, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you've got to have money working for you instead of you just working for money if you want to have financial freedom.
I started out with $500 on an auto trader less than a year ago. It made me $35 within my first week or so, and I've been addicted and paying it forward ever since.
Now the second product that was released, so phenomenal, called the IML Fusion Trader. The Fusion Trader is just like FX Fitness Live, but it is on steroids, okay? High activity, high frequency. These traders are extremely active on a daily basis, doing 5, 10, 15, 20 trades in a single day. All right, much more aggressive. So you might even see days where you do 1%, 2%, even 3% on your account in a single day, although we cannot guarantee that. Based upon past results that we've been able to see, you can get absolutely phenomenal returns without any guarantee on your money. You control it. You can upload as much as you want. You can withdraw whenever you want at the same time. Incredible product that you guys need access to. Now, about a year ago, we developed this tagline called Copy, Paste, Profit. I'm going to tell you right now, if you know how to copy and paste from your phone, you can absolutely be successful in iMarkets Live. So we developed an app called Swipe Trades. This is where you earn while you learn, all right? So for example, we have professional experts, both the CEO, Justin Adams and others, who will literally put trades through this app that will send the trade alerts to your phone, and it will pop up just like a text message. It's going to tell you if it's a buy or sell. It's going to give you the entry, the take profit, the stop loss. All you have to do is copy and paste that trade that they gave to you into your free trading app, execute the trade, and have the potential to make money. Now think about that. That's like you going to college. There's a smart person there. He takes the test for you. You ace the test. You walk out. That is the power of Swipe Trades.
The signal calls are awesome. The swing trade calls are awesome. The information software has given me the ability to analyze the market and make calls on my own. I look forward to being with this company for years to come.
Now we also have daily swing trades. These come direct from our CEO, Mr. Christopher Terry. Swing trades might go for a day or 3 days or 5 days. These are more longer term trades, but he's going to put them right through that app where you guys are going to get his indicator of the entry, the take profit, and the stop loss of trades that he sees phenomenal potential for you guys and gals to make money. Think about it. You are getting information from someone who's made tens of millions of dollars inside of the foreign exchange. It's not coming from Cousin Cornbread, Uncle Butch, or Cousin Jesse. These are coming from someone who's actually been successful in the market. Now, a lot of times people ask me, Brandon, this all sounds wonderful. It all sounds great, but I'm really busy. I got a job, I got kids, I don't have time for this. How much time do you spend? Let me tell you, 0 minutes a day on the FX Fitness Live Auto Trader, 0 minutes a day on the Fusion Trader, and less than 3 minutes a day on Swipe Trades. So in total, on our first 3 to 4 products, you can spend less than 3 minutes a day to absolutely be successful.
Hey guys, my name is Matthew Fagan, and I put in $20. It was the last $20 in my bank account. I know it's not recommended to trade with, but it was the first day of the daily swing trades, and I'm like, I'm sick of these circumstances that's happening in my life. Let's change it. So I jumped on, got $10 up, so I was at 30, and went from $30 to $250, and it's just changed my life completely.
Now guys, in life, the only thing that no one can take from you are the skill sets you develop. You see, a lot of times people say knowledge is power. I don't agree with that. I believe that knowledge is potential power. Knowledge is nothing, applied knowledge is everything. So just by raise of hands, how many of you would actually like to learn how to become a part to full-time trader? Well, you can do that. So we put together just a couple of services to give you the education that you need in order to be successful inside of Forex. So this is where you learn to trade like the pros. We have what's called IML Academy. Now with IML Academy, you have over 50 recorded educational videos in English and Spanish, the beginner, the intermediate, and advanced training on how to trade Forex. All right, literally from beginner to advanced, going to a level that you want to make money.
I just got done with the IML Academy. It's been a major resource for me, guys. It only took me about an hour and a half to go through. Christopher Derrick goes through every point, 1, 2, 3, very easy to understand. He introduces you to the history of Forex, and he also allows you to get very comfortable in the market, break down all the lingo, the jargon, so even a beginner can walk into the market, walk into Forex, and feel confident and like they can become successes in the market.
Now some people say, you know what, I don't like watching videos. I kind of need that hands-on touch, all right? So we developed what's called IML TV. Now with IML TV, I'm going to tell you right now, with that product alone, over 35 plus hours a week, translation in almost any language available, where you can get live training, interacting with a moderator on how to become a pro. What is stability? What is resistance? What is a pip? What is a pair? All of those kind of questions people have, learning about Forex, you can learn inside of IML TV.
Also, the live trading, it's another opportunity where you can definitely make a huge bucks, guys. It's unbelievable how we should be grateful for this technology going all over the world that make for us easier to seek for the financial freedom.
And the live trading sessions, there's no way that I'll be able to flip my $50 to $5,500 in a matter of days. You know, it really is earning while you're learning.
Live trading London session with Christopher Derrick. Christopher Derrick has proven to be a great leader, a great teacher for us. He's teaching us all how to take our Forex skills to the next level. Personally, he's taken me to a whole new culture, to a whole new level of trading, and that's just the beginning of it, guys. So I love this product, and I know you guys will love it too.
Now the final product that we have, the final service, is called the Harmonic Scanner. Absolutely phenomenal. This is an extremely accurate indicator. And what it does is it scans the market for what's called harmonic patterns with about 89% accuracy. So for example, when you see these red and blue lines going up and down, a lot of people don't really know what that means. The purpose of the harmonic scanner is to look for these entry points and the exit points. It's going to give you the entry, the take profit, and the stop loss all at the same time with extreme accuracy. So that if you were to use this product, just like our other products, you have the potential to make phenomenal money because it's doing all of the research for you. Now, for proof of how this product works and the benefits, let's see what others have to say about it.
And I decided to go live on a $2,000 account on Wednesday of this week. Today's Friday, and I've already made $441. The system works. Only thing I've used was the harmonic scanner. The training provided. If you need this, if you're looking for this, you gotta have it.
The scanner has been such an amazing blessing. Not only has it helped me profit through trades, but it's been able to help me teach people how to trade through the foreign exchange market.
Help with the harmonic scanner, it definitely contributed to me turning $50 to $5,500 in a matter of days.
Now, we give you guys and gals two different options of how you can get started inside of iMarkets Live. Option number one, you get access to what's called the Platinum Package. With the Platinum Package, you are going to get access to 4 services: IML Academy, IML TV, Daily Swing Trades, and the Harmonic Scanner. 4 products and services. You're not going to pay $1,000, $500 to $400. You pay one time, $195. The monthly 30 days later, from the time that you enroll, 30 days later, is $145. Now think about that. Even one product alone, like the harmonic scanner, the value is extremely high, far greater than what you would pay in a monthly subscription fee. Why? Because again, the goal is to have these products to make you money. Okay? Now option number 2, this is the one that I recommend, and I'll tell you why. It is called the Platinum Plus Package. You get those 4, plus you get these 3: Swipe Trades, Fusion Trader, and FX Signals Live. Now let me tell you why. With these products, rather than having a learning curve of learning about Forex and how to make money, you can and have the potential to start making money right away with the Fusion Trader. Get your account hooked up, let them trade. Swipe Trades, take those alerts, copy and paste, and be able to make money. FX Signals Live, same thing with the Mirror Trader. That potential to start making money right away rather than waiting. Especially a lot of people today have a microwave mentality. They want instant results. You guys can see that by having these 3 additional products. So you pay $235 once. Your monthly is $185. Again, that is 30 days later after the time that you originally enroll. Okay? The value is absolutely there. That I can promise you. Now, for anyone who is ever concerned about a monthly fee, once again, it always comes down to value, we put together a program called 2 and Free. With 2 and Free, What that says is if I am a customer of iMarcus Live, and let's say that I go out and I share it with 2 people that become a customer. I get a link, I share that, they become a customer, my monthly fee, whether it's the $145 or the $185, is waived. Is that awesome? Like yes or yes, okay? It is absolutely waived. That means you get all 7 products and services for free. Okay, most people don't cancel free. Phenomenal. Okay, now you break even, you profit. Okay, you get access to all those for free. So 2 and free. Guys, you should have multiple streams of income inside of iMarcus Live. Multiple streams. And I'm going to tell you right now, all it takes is one decision to change your situation. Because information changes situations. Decisions change situations. I can tell you right now, absolutely without fail, that if you will use these products, you can be absolutely successful making money, whether it's hands-free or learning how to trade and become a trader and trade right from your phone, not have to recruit anybody, and literally watch those profits come in on a daily basis. So guys, what I want you to do is I want you to get back in contact with the person who invited you to watch this video. I want you to get their link and get enrolled now, and I'll tell you why. It is too risky to not get involved. There is a greater risk to not get involved. Sometimes people say, is this risky? Wait till you get the bill in life for not investing. That is too risky. Brandon Boyd, a chairman at iMarcus Live, looking forward to working with you. Welcome to the family if you decided to get started today, and we will see you on the other side of freedom and all the way at the top.